Max Your Journey Tribe, RV community, welcome back. Today I'm here to help you solve a problem. You have a problem, I'm going to help you solve it. If you didn't know, I'm in the RV rental business. I love the RV life and I have a lot of experience with RVs. So today, if you're a newbie, if you're just now getting into RVs, guys, you want to know how to dump the tanks. I'm going to show you very simple how to dump them, what order to dump them. You do not want to skip through this video because you don't want to get any of that black tank juice on anything that you're dealing with. So guys, pay attention to this video. I'm going to show you really quickly just the step-by-step process of how to dump your RV tanks. Let's go. All right, tribe, a little bit different than normal. So I'm outside next to the camper. Right here we have our tanks, black handle. If you didn't know, it's black, and your gray handle. That's how you're going to be able to tell right away. Hopefully you can see that, gray and black. And here's a little tip from me. I never tow with this outside cap on because I don't want anything waiting for me when I go to actually pull it off. Guys, you will be so surprised at how much stuff, if you just leave it cracked, will be waiting on you. So I always leave them closed. I know they're closed. I leave it open like this and just hang that to the side. No big deal. You won't have any drips or slips. So let's get into it. Okay, so assuming both of your tanks are full right now, I have one of my extra hoses. You're going to see these grooves on here, guys. They fit on one side and they twist on. So this hose I do not use. This is just an extra. So it twists on, it locks on up here at the top, and you have your hose and it's going to run over to the ground where you're going to be dumping it. Now, what order do you want to do this in? You always want to pull your black tank first. They pull straight out, black tank first, and then you let that go for about 5 or 2 minutes, somewhere in between that time. A few minutes is what I'm saying. Then you come back and you pull that gray handle and they come straight out. And I just pulled the gray and you'll see the gray's coming, it's coming, and it's just water in there, guys. So no big deal.
So it's dirty water?
It's soapy water. So your gray tank is always your soap water, your sink water. Your black is always your poop water, your pee water, your toilet water, guys. So that's the big difference. So gray and black, and you want to drain those in that order. Black first, then you're going to clean that hose by pulling the gray water out. All right, tribe, hopefully I helped you learn how to dump your tanks, your black and your gray tanks in that exact order. Black first, then the gray will clean it out. Do not forget that so you avoid all mistakes at all costs, guys. And I'm also simulating that the tank hose is going on the ground, that it's going inside one of your dump stations or your dump tanks. You do not ever want to put waste on the actual ground. So hopefully you understand that as well. I'm just simulating with the hose and I pulled the gray tank, which is that fresher water, that sink water, that sink water and that dish soap water. So guys, hopefully you learned a little bit. You smash that subscribe button and I'll see you next time for more tips to help you get started in the RV life. Peace out. Max Your Journey.